So there one more properties I want to look. It is on a volumetric, and I'm using volumetric options quite a bit often, mostly in a forest or underwater to create this extra intensity and light point. So right now we have light rates going, but only what we see effect it's on a ground, on an object that's hitting and a bit behind. So let's go enable by clicking. You can see right now we start having this light effect. So we can go and modify our light volumetric light setting. We have an intensity, so we can increase or decrease amount of this. By default, it's going to 1. There also, you can increase by increasing power of the object. So you have 2 ways. We can increase boost quality, and in some cases become too grainy, so you want to increase if you're going for higher quality. We have an ability to cast shadows in a volume. It's what we do right now. As well, many times I like to enable show smoke and dust light beam. By enable this, we have additional properties right here where we can see smoke and dust production, scale. The smoke it is driven by function, so we can preload it 1 or going inside the function editor and modify it from here. So you can create from anything from parallel noise to any other effect. And this is just creating not a pattern like a light gel. It's going through the dimension on the z-index and modifying in a volume of the light, creating this density. So it's creating a little bit more natural look on the lighting. Let's take our camera, move a little bit up. And you know what, let's render on a screen and see how this light is affecting. Okay, so right here we have our lights, and you can see the volume applied to the lights by using effect dust and particles. Again, we're using light gel, and reason why I left because you can see the lights cutting off, and it's give it these nice beams. So we're going and we disable our light gel. Now it's become more solid. However, we still have those spots inside the lights. This is reason because we have it enabled smoke. If we disable it, it's become more even and equal. One thing again, you notice even light here. If I want to create some effect as well, I can go create example tree. So let me select plant, and by passing this light maybe through some plants like right here, I will just use it as a mask. You can see we can apply some shadowing effect as well, depending on how powerful is light. It will also creating strength. In this case, it's maybe too hard, so it's hard to see, but it is right here. You can see some small lights created. Okay, we can decrease amount so we have a little bit better look, but this is kind of nice to using volumetric lights to create this deep forest look underwater. So it's kind of very powerful, and when you start working a little bit more with Vue, you find more and more use for the volumetric lights inside the Vue.